Within 2 years, there will be two types of finance professionals: the ones who know how to build an AI agent, and the ones who get left behind by the ones who do. Right now, most finance people cannot even tell what an AI agent is. And if that is you, you're asking exactly the right question, and you are in the right place. I am going to break down what an AI agent is, why they matter to finance professionals, how they can help us, and how to build one. Let me first explain the concept of AI agents in the easiest possible way I could come up with. An AI agent is an AI assistant you create with a clearly defined goal, but it has the autonomy to figure out how to reach that goal on its own. I know this is still a bit abstract. Think about handing a task to a junior colleague. You say, prepare this month's variance commentary. You do not tell them every step. They go away, pull the numbers, work out what actually matters, write it up, and bring it back to you to check. You gave them the goal, they figure out the steps. This is an example of an agent. So, how is this different from a normal chat with Claude? In a normal chat, you're guiding it turn by turn, step by step. With an agent, you hand over the whole goal and it carries out the task from start to finish on its own. Then it brings it back to you. So, what is the big deal about AI agents for finance people? Well, imagine you create several AI agents and they carry out tasks for you every single month. They reconcile the bank, update your forecast model, or write variance commentary. Imagine the possibilities that creates for finance teams. The time we could save, the impact we could have on businesses we work for. Now that you understand the basic concept, let me clear up the biggest confusion that might be creeping into your mind. Because a lot of people think an AI agent is something sitting in the cloud, running on its own, and doing stuff without you. That can be the case, but not always, and especially not for finance. Part of the confusion is that people mix up automation with AI. They are not the same thing. Automation has been around for decades, a task set to run on its own on a timer, but it does not have the ability to think or make a decision. An AI agent is different. It can think and make decisions to reach the goal. The decisions that you can then check. And whether it is triggered automatically or you will press the button yourself is a separate question. It is an agent either way. So, how many ways are there to build an AI agent for finance work? There are broadly two ways AI agents are built today, and I want you to know where you fit. The first is built by developers and coders, baked into products at scale. For example, banks are using AI agents to check millions of transactions for fraud. The second kind is the most relevant to finance professionals. It is built inside Claude using plain English. No code, no terminal, nothing technical. You just describe what you want done the way you would brief a colleague and it will go and do it. You do not need to be a coding expert. You need to know your craft, bring a bit of creative thinking, and you can build these yourself. Everything I've told you is all that you need to know to start building your own army of AI agents. Let me show you step by step how you can create one yourself. I'm doing this in Claude Cowork, which is the more powerful way to work and honestly one of the best things any finance professional can learn right now. You can do a lighter version of this in normal Claude project too. Step one, I open Cowork and create a project. I'm going to call it Variance Commentary Expert. That name matters because I'm not creating a chat, I'm creating a role. Step two, I give it the context it needs to do the job. The same things I would hand a new analyst on day one. The management pack so it knows this month's numbers, the budget so it knows what we are measuring against, last month's commentary so it knows the standard and the voice I expect, a short note on the business so it understands the context behind the numbers. Step 3, and this is the most important one. I give it its instructions. I'm not telling it what to write, I'm telling it how to think. Things like only comment on variances above this threshold, always explain the why, not just the numbers, right in my voice. Flag anything you are unsure of rather than guessing, and never invent a figure that is not in the data. That set of instruction is the difference between a one-off chat and an AI agent that you can rely on every month. And if you want a head start, I have put my actual instruction template for a variance commentary agent inside my free community. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Step 4, now I put it to work. I give it this month's management pack. I ask for the commentary. And there it is. Under a few minutes, it has produced a first draft of the variance commentary in my voice, focused on what actually matters. Now, do I send this straight to board or my manager? No. I should check it the same way I should check the work of a junior colleague. Because the agent does the work, but I am the one still accountable. Once you get the idea, you start seeing them everywhere. An agent that preps you for the question board is going to ask in the next meeting. An agent that keeps an eye on cash position and warns you for a tight week coming ahead. And if you want to go deeper on Claude for Finance directly with me, the link is in the description. If you found this useful, please subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.